Now take note of the fact that the event B, bringing out a boy, did not affect event G because of the fact that whenever you bring out a boy from the class, a he is replaced with another boy. That is where the stem replace comes in. The same thing that happens with when you're bringing out a girl in the class. So when you replace a boy after bringing out one boy from the class, and then you take a girl and replace the girl back, it shows that the total number of students in the class will remain the same. So this is what we mean by the event A does not affect event B. So the total remains the same when the um, probability is independent. And when we with that we'll just multiply the two probabilities. So we'll just multiply 5 over 50 with 45 over 50. But when they say that the event is not replaced, that is